Hello, welcome to Unique Mix by Christina. Today I have a Temu haul, so let's go ahead and check what I got. Okay, let's go ahead and see what I got in here. I do love when it comes in some secret package because it's like a little surprise. Oh, okay, so this is going to be a mixed haul, but I did get some of these 4th of July wood ornaments. And I got them so that I could use them for like either embellishments or making little bookmarks. Look at that. They're already painted on one side. So you get the red, white, and blue cactus. You do get the cross. You do get a star. This one is 1776. Sunflower and a cool flag design, and then the USA. Like I said, I got these so I could use for embellishments, even like chipboard, or even like a junk journal charm, or even a bookmark. You can make anything with that, really. So I got that. Next thing I hauled are some cardstock. I do love my cardstock. So this is the green and white. You got yellow polka dots. You got some color rainbows. I love the cardstock with this, so you could add easily to little stuff. Got the lines. So this is like almost like a party theme. Little zigzags. I know there's a name for that, but I forgot what it's called. You got some more polka dots. Look at that, some green and white polka dots. Some smaller rainbow polka dots. I love polka dots. You get another yellow and white checker, a purple and white, and then look at that. How pretty is that? That one, and then the last one is purple with white polka dot. Love it. Those would be nice spring or even birthday cards. Another thing I have here is some daubers, and I like these for edging on stuff. And I do love that it comes in its own case. Now this, you get them in like the rainbow color like I have here, or you could get them either all pink or all blue, depending on what the shop. And this is what these are. And all you do with these, you put them on your finger and say that you got something you want to color on the sides or something. Just dab it and color it. So these are actually really nice. I like these. And they're not expensive at all. So I got some of those. Like I said, you could get them in single color if you want it. Next thing I hauled are these party, I believe, llamas. I think they're the llamas. But they are acrylic. And they do have a little hole to them. Look at that. How nice are those? And I like these because they're thick. Real nice. And they will go great with that paper that I just bought. I got those ones. Now I got another acrylic. I do love my acrylics. I like using these as dangles. But this is a summer one. And these are, they have fruit and it's like in a little bag. But look at those. How cute are those? Real nice. Love, love, love. Got those. Now the next thing I hauled are these coffee flatbacks. Actually, these are beads. But look at these. These are real nice. And since they already have the hole, you could easily turn these into a charm. Look at that. That's coffee theme. I just wish we get more of them, but something's better than nothing. They're super, super cute, and they are shiny. Actually, let me see if they fit on a beatable pen. Yeah, they do fit on a beatable pen. My Pokey 2 is 2mm, and that's the same as a bar size. But yeah, so you can do those on beatable pens. Okay, the next thing I haul, I'm not sure what these are, and they're small. Oh, I thought these would be bigger. But these are actually little flower, I want to say a little butterfly, like, I'm guessing nose charms. I didn't read the print on this, but I could easily put these in sequence mix. Look at that. So that's, I got that one. Another thing I hauled is this clown die. Look at that. I got him because I do have some dies that has carnival theme, and I do have some paper, and I thought this would be nice to add to my stash. So I got that one. And look at these bows. These are beautiful. Look at that. They do got an AB shine. You get them in mint, a white. No, that's a light blue. This one's a white. The yellow or orangey color, purple, the pink. That is so pretty. So, so pretty. And they do, these are beads. They do have the whole, and I do know they fit the Pokey tool. So I got some of those. So, so cute. I love shiny things. So the next thing I hauled are these bees and ladybugs. They stick on your projects. This is just like the ones that Hobby Lobby sells, just smaller. So I got that to add on embellishment. So I found these, and these are super cute. Love those. Next thing I also hauled are these spacers, and I like using these for my beatable pens, and they are pastel, so cute. So I got those. Now I did haul these before, and these are small puppies, and they are beads. Look at that. So you get them in pink, I say like a light brown and white. How cute are those? And let me see if they fit on a Pokey. I believe they did. Yeah. So they do fit. Love it. Love, love, love. Oh, here goes another thing I got. Now these are another wooden shape. These are actually wooden shaped flowers. And they do come with the jute twine. And look at these. How nice would this be to embellish? To either paint or even put some cardstock on top of it. So real, real nice. So I got those. Now I've done, I've had crosses from Hobby Lobby, which I also have a video for on what I did with these, or at least one idea that you could use those for. I'll link that below. Another die that I hauled is this bunny. I thought he was super cute. You could probably use them for other things, not just Easter. So I got that one. Oh, check these out. I got me some swans. I saw these are like beautiful. The only thing is you get 3 only, which is boom, boom, boom. But I went already put an order. Look at these. You get 3 swans. So cute. And they look like they are able to, yep, you can put them in your little beatable pens. Look at that. How cute is that? Love it. Love, love, love. Those are really, really cute. And I think I already have that on order. Okay, another thing I hauled And this is, I believe, Halloween. Yeah. So these are like the skull, the skeleton animals. I don't know if you know who those are, but they are little plushies and little figures that they have those. They're almost like the Day of the Dead, but they are skeleton animals, just like these. Look at that. Love, love, love. So I got these for Halloween, which I'm already thinking about. Now these ones here are teardrop beads, and when I saw these, I really like these. Look at that. I got these for dangles. But the hole is big enough for a beadable pen. And it's in pastel colors. Look at that. So nice. Got those ones. And the last thing I hauled are some stickers, because I love my stickers. And these ones are cutesy, and they do have like a iridescent to it. But this one says, don't be so hard on yourself. And it is the second time I ordered these. This is my second one. Make today a happy day. Yeah. This is like motivational ones. Listen to yourself. Celebrate the wins no matter how small. Remember to look after yourself. You are more important than this number. So true. But you still gotta be healthy. It's never too late to become who you want to be. But yeah, it's a lot of inspirational. It's okay if your best looks different to yesterday, to someone else, or to what you thought. Yep. So yeah, you get all of these. Real nice. But you get different inspirational ones. And there are cuties. You got the cutie ones. Don't mind Chico if you hear him in the background. He is over there barking, looking outside the window. But yeah, real nice. Love those. But yeah, that is my small haul I want to share with you. I'll have all links below if it's still available. Let me know which one is your favorite. I really like the swans, but I like it all. And the coffee. I like all things shiny. But yeah, make sure you like the video. Subscribe if you haven't, because I sure would love to have you in my YouTube family. Hit the notifications so you do know when I upload a video. And with that, you have a blessed day. Bye-bye.